Hey guys, so we finally arrived. It's a 1 hour and 30 minutes trip from our place. We arrived in Radhosh pod Rožno pod Radhoštěm, yeah, with my cousins and her family. And today it's a old-fashioned market here, so we can't wait. We don't know what to expect, but it looks very busy. So see you around. I don't know what is exactly this one, but I think that it's for the brushing the fur when they're making the wool. And this is the old cabinet. So we eat now.
So this is your cabinet during 12th century.
We come back.
And your laundry basket. Yeah?
Laundry basket, yeah.
And your bucket, pitcher for water. When you pitch the water, this is what they use during the 12th century. Talagang meron din tayo dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ito, basket. Ginagamit ito rito during 12th century. Meron din silang baon.
Do not open. It says. So here is the old pantry. You know, Maminka has also a pantry downstairs in the cellar. So, oh look at this, how they eat the fruit. I'm sure that then there was like honey and milk.
Wow. So where do you store the food?
Yeah, where they store the food. Oh look at this. This is. Oh, I remember my grandma, she had also the table like this, and then on that top she had the pictures.
What is amazing, no? Kasi ito, ganito, 12th century pa yan. Mas matanda pa kay Magellan yan, at saka na kay Lapu-Lapu. Diba? Kasi 15th century sino Lapu-Lapu, Magellan sa Pilipinas, diba? Ito, 12th century ito. Amazing. What's in here? Kitchen?
Chimney.
Oh, chimney.
Kitchen. Yeah, there's a kitchen. So they were making here the food like a mussel.
Mussel?
No, here this is for the butter. So this
Butter.
for like a butter. They were making a butter.
And this one?
Maybe they were making mixing something.
Like flour?
Maybe like.
And this one where they cook?
Yeah.
Amazing, right? Oh. Wow. Pugon. Sa tawag ko sa atin pugon eh.
And they were making
Varnish. Ayos, di ba? Oh, yung mga kahoy sa ilalim. Ayan. At yung
so he was
kwarto.
making a fabric. That's the
Here.
Yeah.
And there, where he sleeps as well.
yeah.
Oh, amazing. Okay. Nakaka-amaze, di ba? Kasi alam mong ito na-preserve talaga mula ng 12th century. What's this then?
Maybe some kind of art. No, you couldn't.
Why I'm touching it?
No.
Wait, I should not touch it, yeah.
This one is a scale.
Scale. Oh, yeah, may scale sila. Sungka? Hindi. Okay, let's. Ito parang pang smash ng kwanto, potato. Then what's this? Small village na yung mga nakatira rito, yung mga mayayaman noong 12th century. Meron sa loob ng village, meron din silang chapel or your church. Talagang preserve ang lugar. Parang tatlong generation o tatlong nagmamay-ari na iba't ibang panahon yung lugar nito, parang history ata nito ay tatlong mayaman ang nagmay-ari sa iba't ibang panahon. So binili ng isang mayaman hanggang sa nakuha ng gobyerno. So naging property siya ng gobyerno at ginawa ngang tourist spot.
This is your collage.
Collage. Wow. Collage. That must be delicious. Wow.
So it's like an old-fashioned made candles from the Bivas.
Tour excursion ito. Inikot kami dito sa village. Walang to yung wala na nakatira dito. Parang preserve lang nila yung mga bahay-bahay. At pwede kang mag-tour. Pero siyempre, mayroong tour guide. At siyempre, magbabayad ka. So ito, blacksmith building. Gumagawa ng mga espada dito rito. Oh. So it's working. Pagkatapos namin mag-ikot-ikot, dito kami sa restaurant, parang bahay din. So, sa loob ng village, may restaurant na mukha siyang bahay. So maganda talaga, talagang feeling mo na sa 12th century ka. So dito kami lahat.
I don't know what to choose, my goodness. I'm just my saliva is drooling now. What would you like to eat? Would you like to have a like So this one is considered as a city, and around Sarand is a Sarand. Wow, I just saw the dumplings. Sorry, but up there to the hill, it's surrounded by the village. So by the villagers. So the villagers were coming here.
So this is like city.
This is like considered as a city.
Wow.
City from the 12th century.
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure. I need to research it. So
Yeah, 12th century. Yeah. So only rich people living here.
Yeah, rich people, because look at this.
So
houses.
around is the villages.
Yeah, villages, and apparently the houses are so tiny because people were poor.
Wow, in the villages.
In the villages.
So we're gonna see it later.
Yeah, we're gonna see it later. Yeah.
All right. Excited. Wow. Ito yung serving nila rito, sobrang laki. Amazing.
Yeah.
So huge.
To mi nevyšlo, to jsem chtěla vyfotit.
Enjoy.
Máme všechno?
Oh, bye. Hannah's food is delicious as well.
It's a traditional food here.
Nice
It's
one.
already for the rich people.
This one. Pagkain daw to ng rich people. Dito sa Czech Republic. O, ayun. Mag-feeling rich muna tayo din. Pinkay. Wow, nice. This one, wow, that's Olin's food. Nice one. While walking around,
You need to top up your energy, yeah?
I need to top up my energy. Yes, that's correct. Kulach, the best pastry, the
Yeah.
best pastry in Czech Republic. Look at that.
Enjoy. Wow.
For me, Czech Republic, when it comes to pastry, number one. But if you are too concerned about your diet, about your figure, then don't eat kulach, because you will be addicted and you will be keep
Coming back.
eating. No, I'm not joking. Really, the best. If you ask me why I put my bag here in front, you know what's the reason? I'm hiding my belly. So huge.
A sír máš ráda? Jako si koupíme dítě, jo? Máte ráda sír?
Jo, ale já mám rád ty takové dětské síry.
So yung tawag dito sa amin sa probinsya, seller. Selleran ng palay. Yan, selleran ng palay. Binubuhos yung palay doon. Pagbaba rito, bigas na. Meron pa kami yan sa probinsya, sa Dado. Mismo sa aming barangay. Ganito. Pero powered by gasoline. Crudo. Lahat powered by water. Chainsaw nga, oh. Galing, no? Lahat powered by water. Walang gastos. Diba? Wala sana kung ngayon sa Pilipinas. Siguro walang burn out. Pag ang buong Pilipinas powered by water. Ay, doon parang meron natin yan sa Iligan City, sa Mindanao. Yung hydro, something like that. Kung kita mo ito sa buong village ito noong 18th century. Lahat ito ay powered by water mill. So, dito tayo ngayon sa village. Ito sa Czech Republic noong 14th century. Palagay ko yung mahirap. Mas maganda pa yung bahay ng mga mahirap ngayong 21st century. Tignan nyo. Yan ba yung bahay ng mahirap? Yan. Siguro medyo ano to, inayos para sa mga tourist. Pero kung ganito ang bahay ng mga mahirap noong 14th century, ba maganda to. Yan, o, diba? Dami pa doon. So dito daw nakatira yung mga mahirap noong 14th century. At doon kayo na sa baba, sa city yung tawag nila, doon naman nakatira yung mga rich people. Yan pa, oh. Diba? Ito, actual ito na bahay ng mga mahirap noong 14th century. Hindi ko lang alam kung yung kahoy, pero dito talaga nakatayo. Yan. Baka yan toilet yan. Ito siyempre, inaayos na to, di ba? Yan. Pwede pang shooting.
10 people living in the house.
10 people?
10 people living in the house.
Wow. So it's not family, huh? It's like the workers. Very poor. But the house looks like for the rich people a rest house.
In Philippines.
Yeah. Oh. Ganda, di ba?
Best.
So pasok tayo. Ito po. Ito yung parang kitchen nila, lutuan, no? Oh, may bed doon. Medyo maliit. Sa taas. Ito. Bigasan nila nito dito. Oh. Ganda, di ba? Oh, ito pang ano. Ito pang bukid, pang trabaho sa bukid. Ay, talagang kahoy, tibay, oh. Yan. Original, ha? Itong man nakikita natin ngayon dito. Talagang original. Mula noong 14th century. Talagang preserve. Siguro nilagyan ng mga gamot para ma-preserve. Sa taas din, meron din yung sigurado bed doon. Okay.
Only one car.
Right. Very nice. So, ito na. Dito tayo sa sentro ng village. Ito, marami ng bahay ito. Ito, talaga palang inaayos na to. Parang pinaganda para sa mga katulad natin na turista. Pero, dito talaga nakatayo yung mga original na bahay na itinayo para sa mga laborers. Yeah. Okay. Pasukin natin itong isang pang bahay. Wow.
Small, so tiny. And they
So tiny.
and definitely
And,
they had CC.
I had a kitchen, same, no? Same layout. Kitchen,
There's only
furnish,
one room.
and tulugan, table there.
And the children and the two parents, they were sleeping.
But how they survive during winter?
So that's it. They had
And there's like upstairs. You go upstairs,
there's a
no?
chimney.
Sinarado na. Chimney, yeah, that's chimney. So, yeah.
And they definitely had a CC.
And they have a small dog. Can go through. In and out.
Yeah.
Wow. Yan. So, inayos na lang at para ma-preserve. So, wala nang nakatira rito. Wala na. Hindi natin itirahan to rito. Inayos na lang talaga for tourists. So, pagpapasok ka sa village, ma-entrance. Galing, di ba? Okay, so medyo may kalakihan yung lugar. At pagkatapos mong mapuntahan yung mga bahay-bahay na wala ng tao. At last dito, mayroon silang itinayo na parang snacks bar. Yan. Pwede ka nang bumili dyan ng pang merienda mo. Inom ka, kain ka. Yan. Yan. So time for palamig. Ako, coffee talaga ako. Kahit anong init ng panahon, pagkape, hindi ko na inaatasan yan. Look at Sophia. Yan. Terka, Barangka, the same food. Mine is... Yan. Okay, so merienda muna kami rito. Relax at maganda yung paligid kasi may lilim. Hindi na mainit. And then after this, let's go home. See you. Thank you.